Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today in this short lecture, inshallah, we will study how we can make graph on the basis of some data. So as I told you in my previous lectures that how we can insert data or make an Excel sheet. So now I will again repeat that. I will write down here. For example, I want to have some graph of some data on the basis of some revenue and cost. So I will say January, February, and then I will drag. I have taught you already, but you must revise that. So I have 12 months over here, right? And I'm keeping data about something, the cost of that thing and the revenue we earned. So these are my headings, right? I just put border around that. Just I'm doing whatever I have taught you already, right? So like this. And now here cost, for example, 1000, 1100, 1000, 1200, 1100, 1500, 1300, 1100, 1000. So it is random. I have nothing in my mind, but I'm just putting some data into it. And here we earned some revenue, for example 1100. Here we earned something 1300, for example 1100. Some loss over here, so 1100, then 1200, then 1700, then 1400, then 1200, and 1100, and 1300, and some loss here, right? 1200, then 1400. So now it is what you already know, right? So now how to make the graph of this data? So go to the main menu, then go to the insert option, right? Here I have went to insert. I have so many tools in the ribbon: tables, illustrations, adds in, and here I have charts, right? So we call graphs as chart as well. So I will open any kind of chart, for example this one. So I am able to see whether I want to make the 2D columns, 3D columns, or 2D bar charts, 3D bar charts. So in this way I can select. I don't have only these, but I have so many other line charts, 2D or 3D, and then I have pie charts, and here I have, for example, tree maps. Here I have, for example, histograms. So you can select any kind of chart. I will make the very simple chart first, then we will go to the other charts, like for example pie or other charts. So I select the first one here. I will drop it down. So I have many options. Instead of I will do it 3D, but we start with the basic, so I will go with the 2D. I click. You can see that here I have got this area where it will provide me the graph, but in order to I have double clicked to open this chart area. So in order to make the graph, I need to add the data. I have to tell it on which data I want to create the graph. So I will simply right click on it. So when I right click here, I found select data option, select data. When I will click, it will open a window. Say I click like this, right? So it is asking me to tell it the range of data. So instead of typing something here, it is very easy that I select, drag to this point, the whole data and their headings as well, and I drop, right? So now check, it has taken the range by itself. When I dragged and dropped, it has written it down. So now I have the graph, and now if I want to switch, for example, sometimes there is data that can be switched with each other. The column of cost can be switched with the month or something. So here I have the button. If I click this, so now check, it has the cost and revenue over here in the horizontal line, and over here it has the months, right? Again I click that, so again Jan, Feb, March, April, so I have this. So in case of our data, this is the better graph, so I say okay, right? And now I double click that, right? When I double click, check here, I have so many other options, and options, and options, and options, right? And the same I can get from here. When I click this, check here, but the type is same, right? It is in fact the same chart or the same graph that we have selected. So I can select any chart of my choice, and if you want to change the color, here you have the option color, so you can select any kind of color that you want to apply on it, right? It is up to you. So this is the way how we insert or we make a graph on the basis of our data. But now the question is, sir, if you want, I double click and you find this, I click outside, it is not there, double click, it is here. So now I double click that, so I got this design option for the charts, and here I have all other options along with the change chart type. I told you I will start with the basic one, then we will go towards the line charts sorry, or the pie chart or the other. So I will click it, click. When I click on this left hand side, I can find out so many other line chart, pie chart, bar chart. I click anything, so it will show me like this, right? If I select line chart, it will show me, and on the top of it you may see check like this one, this one. So we have so many options. You can select as per your requirement. And similarly we have here pie chart. You can see this is the pie chart, but I want pie chart like this, so it will show me like this. So it is up to you from these kind of graphs or charts which you want to add in your assignment or in your homework, right? So I select anything, for example pie chart, okay, and I say okay. And now check, it has shown me all the data in the pie. I just simply double click that and I want to see something. Okay, fine, click, and now check. You have so many other styles. Now here, as per colors, legend is being shown here. January darkest blue, then Feb comparatively lighter blue, and then so on. So in this way, in fact, you can see your data, you can apply your data. So here from January to December, and here I have the pie chart. Again I repeat, I will select the graph like this. I will go to the change chart type, I will click. If I want to have a line chart, I will click. If I want to have it like this, I will click and then say OK. So it has the graph with the line and along with the values. So in this way you can select that, you can change that. This is the way how we can very easily make graph on the basis of our data. So now you can make a graph of the marks obtained for the students, right? 5 students, their marks in different subjects. So you can check, and it will be your practice for practice to make a graph. So please try that. In case of any query, you can ask me. Thank you very much, and Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.